nighttime view of this little bitty trial garden. Not planning, just doing Jack and the Beanstalk style. So geraniums out there. Looking up the uses, they're very, 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 very good for skin problems. But looking up here at all the dark greens, this lettuce is good for, I got tension right now, a little high blood pressure, so damn, it's all right here. Just walk out and eat fresh. Cilantro. Look it up. Cilantro, very good at blood pressure. Oh man, that was good. Got my mouth all wet and juicy. And this is relaxation out here. This red leaf right here is spicy. Oh man, that is good. Hope I don't step nothing, but I don't know if you can see it too good, but slime trails, snails, there they go. Part of nature, so. Collard green doing. Look at the peas stretching up and over. Lettuce up there doing good. How big these greens are. My hand's 8 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how long them leaves are, baby. Beauty. Beauty. Pineapple sage, just beauty. And sweet viola, I decided to leave that sweet viola because sweet viola is it's a relaxing. It relaxes you. It's calm, calms you. I'm walking out here just looking at each plant. It's calming. It's relaxing, stress-free. Look at these, baby. And you know, the bugs can do what they're gonna do. Now, like I said, I ain't water this. I'm not watering. Just let it do what it do. And this is Mother Nature at its finest. Okay. How big these leaves are, baby. I'm gonna have a ball tomorrow just coming out. Oh. Fine. Lion's mane. Lion's mane mushroom. Spider. Something up there running. What are you? Oh well. Lion's mane. Mushroom. Can't wait for them tentacles to get longer. I'm gonna tear you up, baby. What are you over there? Well, my light is gone, but last minute it is what it is. Nature's finest. Mama Nature. You put her in the ground, she'll take care of you. Well, I mean, if you take care of a woman, she'll take care of you. Mother Nature. If you take care of Mama Nature, she'll feed you, clothe you. Name something that you use on her earth that doesn't come from her. Mashe, ashe, tashe, ashe, lashe, adios. Peace. My hood.